Hello everyone, today I bring you an Antminer S21 200T mining machine. Follow me to get to know it better. Antminer S21 200T miner supports SHA-256 algorithm, with 200th per second hash rate and 3,500 watts of power. Connect the miner to the power supply and network, and then enter the background of the miner to set up the miner. Set the mining pool miner name, mining address information, you can start mining. When the actual hash rate is 206T, the power consumption is about 3,900 watts, and the noise decibel is about 85. In the background of the miner, you can view the details of each miner's power, the number of miners online, the total power, and the daily income. Based on the Bitcoin price of $63,600 on March 4, 2024 and the mining difficulty of 79.35 T, the daily revenue of the Antminer S21 200T miner is around $21. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. To summarize, the Antminer S21 200T miner is a powerful miner with low power consumption, with only 17.5 watts of arithmetic power per T, which is the best performance among the air-cooled miners, and the miner supports BTC, BCH, and BSV mining, which makes it suitable for long-term use in large-scale mining farms. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.